I'll take a rig to see how hot the rain is. It's a 30-second moving average, so it takes at least 30 seconds to get the start pushing the maximum rating. It's already 5 times background, pushing 7 times background, 8 times background. So we're getting 8 times background. This is way higher than we recently had on our trip, our investigative trip down to Florida, where we actually had 0 radioactivity in Central Florida from Tropical Storm Bret, and the highest we rated in Florida was 3x background radiation, and the Florida Keys, and I believe in Disney World too. So basically, storms that are blowing in west to east from Fukushima have radioactivity, sometimes very high radioactivity, and storms that are blowing in east to west, tropical depressions from Africa and Caribbean, tend to have no radioactivity.